will give you a tutorial before using a sewing machine. Here I will show you what to prepare before sewing. The first is sewing machine. This is a lift boot. And this the sewing thread. The first step is to press the on button. Then step on the gas pedal of the sewing machine to make sure the sewing machine can be up. Second step, install the thread according to the groove. From this to this to this. And to this. To this.
Okay.
The thread step attach the spool to the lift boot and attach to the sewing machine. The fourth step, load the thread from the bottom to the top of the sewing machine. And finish. Thank you everyone. Hope it is useful. Ciao.